Well, good Monday morning on this July 6th. My question to you is, what skills do you want to work on in the next 6 months to improve your sales, to better your skills? What do you want to work on? It's completely up to you. And what I like to live with is a sense of urgency. You've got 6 months till the end of the year. What do you want to accomplish? This is the week where you sit down and write your goals on paper that you're going to look at twice a day. You remember that from a previous video. And you're going to really put some heart and thought into this. What do you want to work on that'll make you even more competitive for the next 6 months? Is it presentation skills? Is it creating a better agenda for your clients and your prospects? What is it? Whatever I can do to help you out, reach out. Otherwise, find a coach, find a mentor, find your sales manager, and make changes and start this week.